Thank you for joining our virtual open house presentation, where we will look at both the College of Health Science programs and online programs that fall into the College of Business and Technology. First, though, a welcome from our president. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Bill Morgan.
Welcome. I'm Dr. Bill Morgan, president of Parker University, and we are so pleased that you're thinking about a degree from our College of Business and Technology and College of Health Sciences. All of our programs offered in the College of Business and Technology are entirely online. You can get an excellent education while continuing to work, and you can do it right at home. We've seen an increase in our online learning platforms lately, and are proud to say that we've set a very high standard with the professors and program directors when it comes to online learning at Parker. Our unique programs in business and technology bring together both business and healthcare. By the way, Parker University was named the fastest growing university in North Texas and the fourth fastest growing college in all of Texas, something that we've worked very hard for and we're proud of. For our online students, we have the same learning resources, library, education that any other student will receive. We'll be there for you every step of the way. For those interested in a program in the College of Health Sciences, we want to position our students to become industry leaders across a wide spectrum of applied science positions. You'll experience one-on-one learning from directors in all health science programs. All programs in the College of Health Sciences are accredited through the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools. Many of our programs are individually accredited in their respective disciplines as well. For all students, financial aid, grants, and merit scholarships are available for those who qualify. We can't wait to see you in person, so stay safe and we'll see you soon.
Thank you, Dr. Morgan. Now, let's take a tour of some of the classroom labs you will become acquainted with as a student in the College of Health Sciences. Parker's state-of-the-art classrooms and labs for the Occupational Therapy Assistant program set themselves apart by offering the most updated equipment used for hands-on training. Our classroom sizes make it possible for one-on-one instruction, giving students the personal care they need for the best education available. Parker's OTA program was the first accredited program in Dallas and was granted full initial accreditation status for 7 years by the Accreditation Council for Occupational Therapy Education. Parker's Adult Physical Disabilities Lab is a semi-functional apartment with designated living spaces for practice of activities of daily living skills. The dedicated Pediatrics Lab is equipped with evaluation, screening, and intervention material for training in all areas of pediatric practice. Next, let's visit the Radiologic Technician Program Lab. The RT program has 2 ionizing lab rooms. One is a digital radiography room where filmless images are transmitted directly to a computer screen, and the other is a computer radiography room using film and/or cassettes. The RT program has a 4-table SimLab classroom. This room mimics X-ray tables and X-ray tubes for manipulation during simulations of X-ray exams for student testing and practices. Like the other programs, this program allows for one-on-one instructions as well. The Diagnostic Sonography program is next. In the Diagnostic Sonography lab, we train our students on GE and Mindray ultrasound systems alongside our Symbionix OB/GYN simulator. Sonography specialty areas include general sonography, vascular technology, and various subspecialties. General imaging sonography involves demonstration and evaluation of abdominal structures, superficial structures, pelvic structures, and fetal structures. Vascular sonography involves the demonstration and evaluation of structures within the vascular systems. In the College of Massage Therapy, students will enjoy a variety of therapeutic massage equipment to provide a broad knowledge base of technical applications. Unique to this program is interaction with a cadaver prosection in Parker's Gross Anatomy Lab to introduce students to more detail about the human anatomy. To experience a variety of modalities, hydrotherapy equipment such as a hydrocollator unit, cryostim, and still point inducers are used. And to help students along the way, multiple anatomical models and posters are used to support and enhance learning. You may be asking yourself, Why is there no video providing a look at the massage therapy rooms? In October 2019, Parker University was hit by an EF3 tornado. The damage was substantial, but in true Parker fashion, under the leadership of Dr. Morgan and our Board of Trustees, and with more than 25,000 man-hours from faculty, staff, and others, Parker University was up and ready for students in just 6 days. We looked at this not as a curse, but as a blessing. Not one person was hurt. The university was able to keep students in class and right on track. But one of the greatest blessings was that this allows Parker to build even bigger and better than ever. Massage students are being provided a new facility with even greater technology in classrooms. For all students, the Parker Fit Gym will make even the most avid fitness enthusiasts take a second look. Our rebuild is well underway, with the goal for total completion by August 2021. In the meantime, though, students are taking lecture classes online, with hands-on training being held on campus. This currently applies to all programs in the College of Health Sciences. All programs within the College of Business and Technology are entirely online, along with many from the College of Health Sciences. Students can work at a pace that's good with them and may choose these programs in order to continue working while pursuing a degree or working on a career change. These online courses offer the same small classroom experience as on-ground programs. Students are also able to take advantage of on-ground resources, such as our online library and educational learning and tutorial services. Program directors and instructors are available for questions and are ready to assist students' needs. There is a varied menu of business and technology programs, as you can see so, with most classes starting monthly. So it's always a great time to begin your education at Parker University. Of course, socializing and student activities are a big part of any college, and Parker University is no exception. All Parker clubs and student groups support Parker University's curriculum and vision of patient-centric, collaborative, and conservative healthcare. We hope you've enjoyed looking at just a little part of what Parker University has to offer. Now, here's a big Texas thank you from Parker University's Provost, Dr. Jane Moschella.
Hello, I'm Dr. Jane Moschella, Executive Vice President and Provost. Thank you for your interest in Parker University. We're so glad you were able to attend today. We have people standing by to help you further. We have admissions at askadmissions@parker.edu and also at the number below. Also have people from academics that can answer your specific questions. We look forward to seeing you again on your journey to further education. Thanks for being here.